2020 Ford Focus automatic. Just had a timing belt with a major service and 12 months MOT. Will come also with a gearbox service for peace of mind. This is the top spec model with auto lights, sat nav, genuine Ford mats, cruise control, every extra possible. Bodywork's nice and clean throughout. We have a full spare here. Alloys all like new, nice and tidy. As I said before, this one is the top spec model. It's got aircon, sat nav, Android Auto, cruise control, voice control. It's got every little extra. This car will come with a standard 3-month warranty for peace of mind. We can also arrange finance and deliver nationwide. Give us a call or a message if you have any questions.